In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get smooth real-time playback in DaVinci Resolve 17 for H.265 10-bit video. Whether you're new to video editing or a seasoned pro, achieving seamless playback can sometimes be challenging, especially with high-resolution footage. But don't worry, I'll guide you through the process to ensure your editing experience is as smooth as possible. First, let's start by launching the DaVinci Resolve application. You can find it easily via your applications menu or a shortcut if you have it on your desktop. Once you've opened DaVinci Resolve, you'll be greeted by the project manager. This is where all your current and past projects reside. Select the project you're working on by clicking on it, and this will open up the project's timeline and associated media. Next, navigate your way to the edit page. At the bottom of the DaVinci Resolve interface, you'll see tabs for different pages like Media, Cut, Edit, and more. Click on the edit page. This is where you'll do most of your editing work and where we will focus our efforts to ensure smooth playback. Once you're on the edit page, it's time to access the media pool. Look towards the top left of your screen and you should see a panel labeled Media Pool. Clicking on it will reveal all the media files that are available within your current project. It's essentially a library of your media assets, helping you keep everything organized. Now it's time to prepare your clips. Within the media pool, locate the clips you are planning to work on. If you are juggling multiple clips, don't worry, you can select them all at once. Simply hold down the Shift key if you want to select consecutive files, or the Command or Control key for individual selections. Once your clips are selected, right-click on any of the highlighted files. This action will bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, you'll want to click on Generate Optimized Media. What this does is create lower resolution proxies of your clips that are much easier for your computer to handle in real-time playback. This way you can edit smoothly without putting too much strain on your system. It's a lifesaver when dealing with demanding formats like H.265 10-bit. While Resolve generates the optimized media, you can continue to work on other aspects of your project. Once complete, your playback should be significantly smoother, allowing you to concentrate more on the creative aspects of your project without being bogged down by technical issues. And that's it. These simple steps will enhance your editing workflow considerably, ensuring that you can focus on creating great content. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this helps you achieve smoother playback in DaVinci Resolve 17. Happy editing!